really need to get Oriel to fly together like they did a couple of years ago. It was impressive, very impressive. But you didn't know which model to watch because they're very impressive. So this is the Flex Innovations HBL3850. We've got a DA-120cc engine. Servos. I think he's got the fast ones in there. He's got a standard. So this is Jase Dussia, Jase Race. Jase does like a rifle roll, doesn't he? He does a bit. It's just when he comes out of it, he's absolutely dead level. So, look at this, look at this. He's not whacking the stick though, he's having to walk to the rubber elevator. Stop, bang on rifle. All the way from Louisiana. Good food there, very good food there. That was low 9 feet. That was a bit close, but not close enough. Have you flown this model before? Where's it going? Come back. That's away. It's not far, you know. How does he and the aircraft do that? He's a lot of members you would do on a full-size aircraft, although they do fly. And Jase does like the tree box, the tree hawk. Oh look, he's dragging the wing on the ground. Look Come at on. That. Oh, look at that. Sharp. Very sharp. Very sharp. There we go. Oh yes. We like this. We do. Thank you, Jase. Thank you for coming all this way. He's up with the birds. It's a kite, isn't it? It's a kite or a buzzard. It looks like a kite. He's looking down thinking, I can't do that. I can't fly like that. We're going for the gaps. That's DA-120, has not missed a beat.
It's innovations. I think this is conventionally built as well. It's actually a wooden built up model. It's not like the car, which is all composite. You can see where I'm standing. All the ones I've got next to me are all molded.
He's going for the gap. Is he flying in the night show? Have we got Jase in the night show? Oh,
I'm sure
he did.
I love the way it's flown to the view. Amazing choreography. It's like a stick snap. It's like every manoeuvre is a dare. I'll dare you, Jase, to go a bit lower.
When he comes out, he's absolutely staying on knife edge or same level. I love that turnaround. Turnaround's brilliant.
There we go. Harrier landing.
Harrier landing.
And you know what you need to do when it's landing. Please, all the way from Louisiana.
That's brilliant.
Jase Dussia.
Fantastic. We've got a standing ovation from all the pilots as well. That just shows the talent out there.
They were already standing.
I know. Still a standing ovation.